Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Now we will see the second form of the function, that means the argument calling. The first one is the default argument calling that we learned. Now we will see the keyword argument. That means we can even use the syntax like a keyword equals to some value while calling the functions. We'll see that in the Python interpreter. Okay, this is the Python interpreter, and I'm going to define one function like def and f of, this is my function variable f of a comma a comma b equals to 10. These are okay. I will just type a comma b comma c. For simplicity purpose, I will just type a comma b comma c. Now I will just type here print the values of print a and print b. You have to maintain the indentation, and print b and print c. Print c. Okay. Now what I will do means in the keyword argument, the meaning of this keyword argument means we can pass our whatever the values we need to give it to the functions through defining to the keywords. That means here a b c, those variables are there. Okay, for that I'm assigning like I'm calling f of b equals to 10 and a equals to 2 and comma c equals to c equals to 4, like this. I'm assigning those keywords to some value here. That is called as the keyword argument. This is not necessary that this has to be in order. That means it is not compulsory that the first has to be a and second has to be b and third has to be c. You can give it in any order, but you need to give for all three arguments. That means all three keywords. Okay, you need to specify for all three keywords. So if I call like this and I will just click the enter, you can see to 10 4. It is not printing 10 to 4, it is printing as per this. So it is just printing the value of a, it is equals to 2, 10 and 4. Okay, if you just miss one keyword, then it will give us the error. You can see f of missing is one required positional argument. We can even set some default value in this also, like I'm using this define of a comma b comma, okay, instead of f I'm using now ab. Okay, no, I will just call fnct of a comma b equals to 10 and c equals to some value, c equals to 20. Now I'm going to print the value of print and here a, okay, and print the value of b and print the value of c. Now if we see, if I call like fnct of if I just call fnct of a equals to 30, okay, I will just call like this and I will click enter. 30, 10, 20. These are all the defaults, but here I am going to assign my keyword to equals to 30. Okay, or else I can just call instead of f of a equal to 30 like this. This also gives us the same result, but it goes to the default argument. That means these two are set default, and here a will be automatically taking as 30. I can even just give here instead of a equals to 30 and comma, because we should define some value for the a, because it is not that it will not take the default value. Here we not set the default value, but I can give here b equals to 5, no, b equals to 4. If I call like this, you can see 34, 10, because a equals to 30 and b equal to 4, it is not taking the default value. That means we are making some keyword argument here. That means the keyword equals to value. Here the keyword which is equals to the value, b is the keyword, and that we will assigning to some value. We can just check. Okay, I will define some function like define of define of yam of okay, here I will I'm using a equals to 10 and b equals to high, okay, and c equals to, thank you, c equals to, okay, I will just use a space, okay, thank you. Like this I will define one function and okay, inside the function I'm going to write the value of print a and print b Okay, print B and print C and C. Okay, yeah. Now we will just call, we will assign print. No, I have to call the function, not the print. M of okay, here I'm assigning a equals to 1 and b equals to hello. Okay, this has to be string, so hello, and c equals to welcome. Okay, like this I'm going to call. You can see I am assigning to those keywords. Now if I click the enter, you can see 1, hello, and welcome. If I just type c equals to welcome, only I will use this. Okay, c equals to welcome. I will not define a and b. I will not here I already defined, but here I'm not using those things. But if I click enter, here you can see 10 high, because these three are the default argument that will take the default, and instead of c it will take welcome. Now if we check, if I just call okay, if I just ignore this, that means C, I will just assign to A equals to something 10, no, I will, yeah, 100, and B equals to something, any string. I'll just use have a great day. I'll just use like this, and now I will not use the C. Now we will check what it will give. You can see it is 100, and have a great day, and thank you.